Hey Norm, so what I need you to do is with our Kajabi page, I know that you've set it up as Black Belt System, I think it is it? Whatever it might be. But basically I want the actual login um, for the Black Belt course, so for the as the product, I want the URL from the product to be Black Belt Systems. So now at the moment it's the blackbeltsystem.com/products. So I want the blackbeltsystem.com to go straight to. See, we didn't even have the product on there. Um, to this page here. So I want that URL to go directly to this one. If not, let me know if that's not possible. But I want that URL to go directly to the actual Black Belt system. And I'm building a landing page as well in Kajabi. Where is it? They've updated the interface, and I don't like it. Turn it off. So the landing page. So it's this one here, the Facebook Black Belt system. So that needs to be renamed the Facebook Black Belt system. So that URL needs to change as well. Whether or not that can just be / get started or BBS, something like that. So at the moment, I don't know how to change that URL. Can you change that? So the actual login to the course should go directly from this page here. Let me know if that's possible on Kajabi. And we'll need to get the sales page set up as well. But yeah, have a play around with that and let me know.